Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Biswal and you are watching Doyen CODER. Today's lesson is just like one number system program that is nothing but the Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci series, it is also a asked question in interviews like many companies are there. Those are not familiar with DSA, they're not asking majorly questions related to DSA, but they are going to asking related to patterns and number programs. Just like we already covered the prime number. Similarly, one number, it is a Fibonacci number or Fibonacci series you can say, which is also going to be familiarly they are asking these questions. Before this, we have to know what is Fibonacci series or Fibonacci number. It is a one just I have just downloaded one image for this. Okay, just see. Like Fibonacci series is nothing but it is just like a sequence of number which is means where the third number means it is a sequence of number started from 0 and 1. It is the first two numbers. Okay, and the third number will be sum of the previous numbers. It is nothing but the third number is 1, means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then the fourth number is sum of previous two numbers, 1 plus 1 2. Then the fifth number is 2 plus 1 3. Then the sixth number is 3 plus 2 5. Then that seventh number is 5 plus 3 8, like that one. It is the series of Fibonacci numbers. Okay, it is nothing but the Fibonacci series. Before this also, let's have the definition for this Fibonacci number. What is exactly Fibonacci number is? Okay, let me add one column here. Like Fibonacci number, it is a Fibonacci series. It is just like it is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of two numbers that comes that come before of it. Before it. Okay, it is the static definition for Fibonacci series. Okay, let me also add example like what the image we see. Like if means Fibonacci number, it started means if you go to the history, who means who is the person who gave the Fibonacci series. That person is just a Italian mathematician Fibonacci. From that name only it is coming like Fibonacci number or Fibonacci series. Okay, is the number will be going to start with 0, then 1. Okay, then the third number will be 1 plus 2. Oh, sorry, 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. The fourth number will be previous number, 1 plus 1 2. Then the next number will be 2 plus 1 3. Then the next number will be 5, and it will be go on like this. Is the Fibonacci series or Fibonacci number. Now we are going to cover how to do this Fibonacci number or Fibonacci series in a Java program. Okay, let's have a look on it. Let me go to the next page here. Then we'll go to the online compiler and do the steps. Okay, like how we can do. Let me add one test here. Yeah, let me do this one. Like how we can do Fibonacci series. We already know it will be start with the 1. Then start will be 0. Then it will be 1. Then previous number, add up previous number 1. Then add up previous numbers 2. Then add up previous numbers 3. That is nothing but the Fibonacci series. We just now learn how it will be look like. Okay, let me add one test battle here. Okay, let me do the program. Okay, just like I am just assuming I have a input n of 10. Okay, I want to print a Fibonacci series up to number of length equal to 10. Okay, 10 number of length I want to print. Then I want to add here, just like I am declaring my first two numbers, a is equal to 0. Okay, and int b equal to nothing but my 1. Okay, it is, I am just declaring my two numbers, which is just initial two numbers, which is nothing but 0 and 1. Okay, then I am going further, means what else I can do, like what is my means I want to print the series, then what I need to do. Okay, let me one second, just give me one second. Yeah, done. Just like I am declaring another variable c is going to be nothing but the third number, it will be going to be print as a print my third number. Okay, I'm just declaring this one. Let me go for a for loop because I want to print up to number 10. Okay, int I started from 1, sorry, I less than equal to my number n I plus plus. Here first I am going to means go for the third number. This is the third number. Third number is nothing but the add of previous two numbers, equal to a plus b. It is nothing but the add of previous two numbers. Then I am going for my, after adding my c equal to nothing but the third numbers, my c is now the third number. Just I am, if I am go for the second means next number, it is nothing but my this one. That means this 1 1 will be which is going to be give me the two number, means the next number will be 2 and 2 is going to be means 2 is going to be assume, it will be come through these two numbers. Okay, how it will become, like I have to declare. Okay, before this let me print my SOP I is writing. Okay, let me print my c is nothing but my number. Here I have to declare like a, my a is nothing but b, it will be b, because like you can see my a is 0 now. Now my a is going to refer the next number b, and my b is nothing but is declaring going to be c. Okay, like now my I have print the c is nothing but add of previous two numbers, it is 1, it is coming. Okay, I am going for the next number is nothing but the 2. How I am going to print for the 2 I need to go for like, for this I have to go for like my a should be 1 and b should be at least 1, then I can have the c is equal to 2. Okay, I also want to print 0 and 1 first. Okay, let me print here SOP of a, SOP of b, it is nothing but the 0 1, it will be print. Okay, now it is nothing but the program for the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is nothing but it will going to print up to a series which is going to be calculated from the previous two number sum. Okay, here just one confusion you can see, like c a b, and means what is I am doing here, you can just see c is nothing but the my next number. Yeah, just like you can see c is nothing but my next number. Here the next number is 1, after 0 1 my next number is 1, my c is nothing but the next number. Then I am printing that next number because I want to print. Okay, then what I do, though, just like see, if my next number is 1, I want to print the next number, like then the next time my next number will be 2, that I need to print the 2. How I can print the 2? 2 is nothing but the summation, means sum of these two numbers, the previous two numbers. Then now my a is pointing to 0, just like my a is pointing to 0 now, and my b is pointing to 1. Okay, I have to do the changes, like now my c is 1. Okay, what I need to do, my c should be, now 2. Okay, my c should be now 2. For this c should be 2, my a should be 1, and my b should be 1, then it will become my c will be 2. For this one I am changing here, a is equal to b, now my a is pointing to the b, and my b is pointing to the c, the previous c. Now the next time c is going to be pointing to the my value 2, next it will be repeating. Okay, let's go to the online compiler. You can see it is online compiler. Okay, just 1 second, let me have it full screen. Yeah, okay, let print that questions. Let's do the logic for this question. Yeah, what I need to do, let's take the input from the user. Scanner we are using CA and then here C is equal to new scanner dot in to up to the Fibonacci number I want to print. I am going to take the input from the user. Int n is nothing but mine user input number. Sorry, next int I have to declare a number. A is nothing but my 0, int b is nothing but my number 1. Let's have a number c which is going to the point to the third number we already checked. Okay, let me create a for loop here. Int I is equal to 0, I less than up to number n. Okay, less than equal to number n, then I plus plus. Okay, here I want to do the logic like my c is nothing but a plus b. Then I need to print system dot out dot print ln of my number c. Okay, then my number a is nothing but now b, my b is nothing but number c. Let me, okay, I forgot to import this kind of class. Let me import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, let me run, enter the number. I am entering the number as 10. Okay, now you can see 0 1 0 and 1 is missing here. Let me put those number by printing system. Let me copy paste. You can also do in the same line, that's fine, by adding slash in. Okay, I'm just going for not like that. Okay, I'm just printing, I just want to print. Okay, let me print as 10 12. Okay, enter. You can see the number up to the length means 12, up to 12 it will be printing. Okay, this is just this is nothing but our Fibonacci series. Okay, now you can just practice those questions. I can go for any kind of platform and practice. It is actually a asked question by most of the companies. Those not are going to ask you those Java questions, but they are going to definitely ask you those number programs, patterns, and those type of stuffs. This is one of the thing like the Fibonacci number. You can just go through and keep practicing and keep improving. Thank you all.